Welcome to the Self-Care Workshop. Let's get started. By the end of this program, you'll learn what self-care is, the benefits of self-care, and how to use self-care in your daily life. So what is self-care? I think it's very important to think about the many roles that you play in your life, whether you're a child, you're a student, an employee, a parent, and the list continues to go on. And with these different roles, we give a lot of energy to making sure everything's taken care of, everyone's good. But how often do we leave ourselves at the bottom of the list when it comes to things that we're taking care of? Self-care is a purposeful choice we make to put ourselves first. So that way we can increase and encourage our own physical, mental, social, and emotional health. When we participate in activities that we enjoy, we get more energy to keep going. So why is this important? Well, there is a term called burnout, which describes when someone is in a state of emotional, physical, mental exhaustion. And this is caused by doing a lot for others and not replenishing and doing stuff for yourself. When we take care of ourselves, we improve a lot of aspects of our lives, such as our immune system, and it decreases our chances that we become depressed or anxious or other emotional health issues. So there are 4 types of self-care: physical, emotional, social, and spiritual. And I like that the image on the far right describes some different self-care activities within each category. So physical, I love the walking and rest. Emotional, I like that they talked about forgiveness and kindness and compassion. Social, setting boundaries, positive social media. And then spiritual, spending some time alone with your thoughts, nature, meditation. So I challenge you to put these self-care items in different categories. So maybe getting plenty of sleep would go for physical. Benefits to self-care: life is more enjoyable when you're taking care of yourself. You're not just going through the motions, you're an active participant. You're more in tune with your thoughts, and hopefully you can reframe situations to be more positive. You can cope with stressful situations in a good way by taking time to take a moment, reflect, and move on. It increases your overall well-being, and it helps us be our best versions of ourselves. So here are some examples of self-care activities: painting, meditating, being outdoors, journaling, exercising, dancing. I think more than ever, participating in activities that bring us joy when a lot of things are still not, fully open, or the experience may be different to the pandemic. Self-care is personal to you, so you are the expert. Whatever brings you joy and helps you feel better is the perfect activity for self-care. And then how to implement self-care into our schedules. It's never too late to take care of yourself. Notice when you're feeling bored, or you're not getting enough sleep, you're getting easily agitated. These are warning signs that you need to, take some time for yourself. Your self-care plan is unique to you. Be realistic about what you can do. Start small. Anything that you think is self-care is self-care. So turn that habit into something that you look forward to each day. Take care of yourself requires you to carve out time to implement it in your schedule, and be present when you're involved in self-care, and really take the time to do for yourself and take a moment and take a beat for yourself. And wrapping up, I want you to recognize the importance of self-care and how you can participate by creating a list of your own activities that you would enjoy, and then implementing them into your life will be the best bet. So thank you for attending the self-care workshop, and don't forget to do the evaluation located on the Google site.